Today we are going to test this Candy Machine version 3 for Metaplex. Okay, we can see that the version 1 and version 2 of Candy Machine is already under deprecated. So this is the version 3. We're going to test this out. Okay, so for this setup, we need to have this install. I'm using Windows. Okay, so yeah, need to install this Winstaller and wait until this one is show sugar successfully installed. Okay, so I already install and try it, so it doesn't have any issues. So now we are going to set this Solana CLI. Okay, so I already create one empty files, and I try Solana versions. Yeah, it's already available. So now we need to set up the devnet wallets for testing. Okay, so we try this. Let me try to see users. Okay, candy machines, and then I'm not going to put this in this config, so I just create a Solana file and then wallet.jsons. Yeah. Okay, so there's some issues. Can't really write it. Oh, okay, I know why. Because the candy machines tree. Yeah, I need to put like this way. Okay, so it's created. Okay, so we try this config set. Check out our current config get first. So it's currently on Solana wallet.jsons. I think it's correct. So we try our Solana airdrop too. So we have this pub key, right? So later we can check this out. Okay, so we receive these two. So on the devnet. So we check the Solana address and put the address. Is it? Okay, arrows. Let's see which one. Solana key jump up key, and then we don't need to verify it. Okay, it's Solana balance, not Solana address. Solana balance. Forgot this. Okay, so we get the two so this is configured successfully. Okay, we have the wallet, and then the Solana CLI, and then we have the Winstaller. So now we need to install these sugars. Since it's a bash command, so we need to use the git bash. Okay, I don't know why there's a 200. Uh, we install, copy again, paste. It's going to take a few seconds. Okay, so I think I installed it before. So yeah, usually if you install it successfully, then it will be green color because I installed it again, so it doesn't work. But I'm sure it's installed successfully. So okay, so you need to try out sugar, sugar. Oh, okay. So they cannot execute the binary files. Okay. If you go to the terminal, you try sugars, it will open up the request to open this file in Notepad. Really, then you can't really read the code because it's in binary. Yeah, it's all this. So we can skip this. Remember to install this the WSL, the Ubuntu WSL. I think they did mentions. Okay, so because the file sugars is in cargo. Okay, so cargo usually you need to use the WSL. If you are using Windows, then only you can run it. If not, you need to run it on a virtual machines or a Linux Ubuntu version of Studio Code. Okay, so we have this one. You can try sugars. Yeah, it works. Okay, so the output is similar. Okay, you can see that how we are going to use this. Okay, so we need to set up our profile. So we have these projects and these assets. Okay, we already download it, create a folders, convenience, and okay, they want me to put the name become my projects, is it? My projects, let me try rename it. My project, okay. Copy and see where can we put it. Now copy the asset. You download it into this folder, so your project directory looks like this. Okay, I put it into my Candy Machines. Okay, so you can see that there's a projects and there's a wallet. Okay, yeah, it's correct. Current config JSON. Okay, we need to create a config. Still using the WSL. Get a series. What is the price of the NFT? Okay, so it's 0. How many NFT in your in this? I think it's 10, right? What is the NFT file? 10 files. Okay, they didn't really check my files. So yeah, they didn't ask me how many NFT. What is the symbol of your collections? Hit enter for no symbol. What is the seller basis point? The royalty, let's say we take like 5%. What's your goal life debt? Input now and hit enter to go to next stage. Okay, we just try now. Whatever. How many creators? Only one. Enter creator wallet's address. Okay. So we can run. Okay, we are going to use our address. I think we are using this one, right? Yeah, okay. This address. Okay, how many address? Enter the creator. Royalty percentage. Okay, so it's a percentage. We have 100%. Which extra feature do you want to use? It's a gatekeeper or freeze or hidden SPL token means. Hit enter when no when do need. What is it? When done. Okay. Okay, so use spacebar to collect. I think you can just hit enter. Okay, they fail to read our file. Okay, so I think it's Solana config get issues. So this key pair path, they didn't really read it. So we need to set the correct one. See user Candy Machine. Solana config get, config set. I'm not sure. Let's check this out. This one. Yeah, I think it's this one. They are on config file is correct. RPC URL is it? Did I say it wrong? Yeah. Let's see. The key pair should be config set in C user /16/candy machine v3 /solana wallet.json. Okay, so we have this one. I hope that is correct. I'm not sure. Yeah, and then we can set this config to this one. Not sure, I just follow it. It's computed. Okay, then we can see the Solana config get. You can try Solana airdrop 2. Okay, so they can't find the signer. I think this is a correct one, but I don't know why it doesn't work. Let's try it out. So I'm gonna config set the key pair. I don't know, maybe you can try this out. Solana keygen new O, and then this one. I'm not sure there will be a duplicated one, probably. Okay, so I can't really write it out in C, so we know there is a wrong one. Let me see how I set this. Solana config set key pair and Solana slash wallet.json. Then I think it will set back to. Then I can delete this one. It's a wrong one. Okay, Solana airdrop 2. Then what is the wallet? Yeah, this one. You can try Solana balance here. It doesn't make any difference. So you can just try it out. So it's correct. Okay, then we have a last try Solana create config. This time we can do it faster. What's the price? 0. How many NFT? There's a 10. Enter seller basis 0.5%. Your life index is now. How many creator wallet wants? Enter my creator wallets. Let's go back here and copy again. Percentage 100%. What's your soul? Okay, it works. I don't know why it works because we didn't really set up. Oh yeah, probably this WebSocket. Yeah, I think there's the issues. We need to set the WebSockets to the correct one. So we have this one. Where is your sole treasury address? Okay. So you forget, you can try to use the Solana address to find it out. So in case we forget it, we go get this out. Okay, so it's this one, Solana address. Ah, then it's double F, right? Yeah, double F. Which upload methods we are going to use? Please state the bundle is the easiest one. So later we will check this out with. Okay, use the space bar. Do you want to retain the update authority? Yes. Do you want to make it mutable? Yes, for sure. You can use Metaplex to try it. Command successfully to see a similar things like this. Okay, cool. So, yep. We try the sugar upload. Okay. Let's try the sugar upload. It's my first time trying also. Fail to read assets directory. Oops. What happened? Is it this one? Is it? What happened here? Sugar upload. Fail to load. Block hash dot found. I don't know what happens. Help. Uploads. Let's see if there's any issues for the config. I don't know what happens. Okay, I found out why. You just need to copy the assets and you can't rename it my projects because uh, yeah, you just actually download it and just paste these assets inside, then it works. So for this my project, you can just delete it. Then in these assets, because it mentions the mismatch value. So if you try sugar upload, yeah, sugar upload, then they can read the files, but the symbol is different. So I think we need to like take out all these symbols. Yeah, it's pretty stupid. It's edit one by one, and I think you need to save it also. So yeah, later I will save it again. Check again. So it's pretty repetitive things. Just take a patience, have some patience, and save it and close it. Save it, save it. Okay, then we can save it. Close it. Okay, then we can try sugar upload. Reading the files. Initiating the upload. Sending the data. Okay. So I think they will upload successfully, and you will have an catch JSON. Okay, yeah, comment successful. Okay, then we have a catch JSON in this format. Okay, oh, okay, so it's a catch JSON in format. From all this metadata, cool. On chain force, okay. RF, you can open and see this. You can go to this one and see this. It's a metadata link also. You can save all this. Then we can try this sugar deploy. See what is the result. We are creating the candy machine. Okay, successful. And then we can verify our deployment. Then we can mint an NFT. Sugar mint. This mint successfully. Minting to okay my wallet's signature. Wait, I think you will show 1/10. Yeah, 1/10. So yeah, it works. The UID is 0 symbol. Okay, so this is how we are going to do our mints. So yeah, that is it. Thanks.